Sarpanch by Blaze, Sarpanch of Kandoli, Deputy Sarpanch by Ophelia, आमचा ward member Fermin, Amarnath ji, the head of ASI here in Goa. आमचे सगळे had to attend a very urgent meeting, that's why I am here. And I'm glad to see this beautiful work being done by ASI. Kalangut Kandoli is a tourist place, and these are places of historical importance. These forts have history with them, and it's very important to maintain these places. आणि maintain करतले आणि especially I thank the ASI for coming up and maintaining, doing this renovation work here, and also helping our local to coexist here in your beautification work. As already told by our Fermin, more work is required. I'm sure you'll put your good work and a good word to your successor here and tell him before you leave about the works to be done. And on behalf of the people here in Kandoli and the village of Kandoli, I really express my deep gratitude to you for helping to maintain this place. Coexistence is very important. No? We cannot displace our locals. They have some many thoughts when they especially ASI comes to renovate. When a panchayat comes to renovate, they know their interest will be preserved. I mean, so I thank you once again. There are many places besides this, many places in Goa, and the government of Goa and government of India, Goa being a touristic place, all ये आमचे सगळे forts जे आहा of historical importance ये आमी maintain करूंक जाय. As our Prime Minister has said, Swachh Bharat, cleanliness is a must. Cleanliness along with maintenance is a must. So I'm sure the Panchayat of Kandoli is giving them dustbins, all these business people, and the dustbins get, the waste gets collected every day. So when tourists come here, they should feel, हम तो अच्छे जगह पर आए हैं. We have come to a beautiful place, and they take these memories back to their home. And I'm sure when the tourists come here, they'll find a beautiful and a warm place. I wish Amarnath ji all the very best in your future.
ऐसे की तरफ से हुआ ये काम, इसके लिए मैं माइकल लोबो साहब को मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन गिव द थैंक्स, बट उसका इतना एनकरेजमेंट में हम लोग ये काम किया, ये काम सक्सेसफुली हम लोग कंप्लीट किया, वो पहले बताना चाह रहा हूँ. पहले इधर काम शुरुआत करने के पहले बहुत बड़ा लड़ाई हुआ था, बट ये लड़ाई में है ना रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है, वो लगने में हमको खुश लग रहा है. ये ऐसे ही हमेशा फॉर वर्किंग फॉर पब्लिक के लिए काम करने के लिए हम लोग हैं, उसके लिए हम पब्लिक के लिए काम करने के लिए है, उसके लिए हम लोग करते. बट बहुत लोग सोचते नहीं है, पब्लिक डर जाते हैं हमको हटा देगा, ये कर देगा, वो कर देगा, बट सब लोग का कॉन्फिडेंस में लेके ये काम किया है. ये काम होने तक एक्चुअली चीफ मिनिस्टर तक गया मीटिंग, वहाँ तक जाके हम लोग मीटिंग करके ये इधर दुकान वाले सब लोग को हम उनको देंगे, जगह देंगे, वो एक्चुअली उनका एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यू करना. बेसिकली ये टूरिस्ट इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए हम लोग किया है बोल के करने के वजह से इतना अच्छा हुआ है. फर्दर इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए भी ऐसे ही कोशिश कर रहा है. आगे वाला फोर्टिफिकेशन वॉल भी वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव, मोस्ट प्रॉबली दैट विल बी स्टार्टेड. एज वेल एज पीछे साइड भी रहने वाला फोर्टिफिकेशन वॉल भी है ना, IOF फंड से हम लोग करने को रेडी है, अभी करने जाएंगे वो भी. ऐसे धीरे धीरे सिकरी का पूरा फोर्टिफिकेशन वॉल विल बी कंजर्व्ड एंड प्रिजर्व्ड. That is the motto behind the ASI. ASI's prime objective is to conserve, preserve our heritage. ये heritage आप लोग का है, local लोग का है. This is my last working day. I am leaving Goa today. I got transferred. to Chennai. Anyhow, I requested Michael Loba साहब एटलीस्ट आपका हाथ में ये ओपन कर देना, बट आज अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं हो पाया अर्जेंट मीटिंग के वजह से. Anyhow, उनका मैडम हैदर है, उनका हाथ में ओपनिंग किया, हमको खुश लग रहा है. ऐसे धीरे धीरे आने वाला ऑफिसर भी अगोड़ा को बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूव करेंगे. आपका कोऑपरेशन चाहिए, लोकल का कोऑपरेशन नहीं तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. We are the officers just coming and going, but you people are remain here and your cooperation is essentially required for development. वैसे हमको आप कोऑपरेट करिए, हम लोग अच्छा डेवलप करेंगे, आपको लिए वो डेवलपमेंट होगा. थैंक यू.
As Amarnath ji said, we had a lot of tu meh between us when we started this work, and it was for the good. Amarnath ji thought about the protection, which I realized later that he was not against the villagers, but he was talking about how to protect the fort so that more tourists can come to Kandolim Shinkerin to see this beautiful place. Thank you, sir. Sorry if we hurt you in any way on behalf of the villagers. And it was a very good job. I've come after that day. I've come today and it's very nicely done. Thanks for helping all our Sinkeri people who have started their small shops here. Thanks a lot. And on behalf of the villagers of Kandolim and the Panchayat, I would like to thank you and the ASI team. Thank you.
Especially the Sinkeri people, part of Kandoli, for getting this beautified place inaugurated in a formal way. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Amarnath, who is leaving Goa after a successful tenure in Goa, and I wish him all the best in his future endeavors wherever he is posted. This place, we have come in the morning, but if you come in the evening, you will not find any place to stand even, because there are 2,000-3,000 people at a time coming to this place. And especially on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is very difficult. So much people are coming. At least 3,000 people are visiting this area, which is preserved nicely. There is no ticketing, so there is no direct benefit, but indirectly, a lot of our people are benefiting, like our kiosk. Thanks to Mr. Amarnath, he allowed our people to continue with their kiosk. Then parking fees, then rent a bike, rent a car. That way, lot of indirect business is there for our locals due to this fort.